Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I'm here to show you one of the most lovely spring ephemerals. This is a primrose. The primroses are in the genus Primula, referring to early. Primrose is like first flower. And this is a Japanese species. It's Primula sieboldii, named for early German explorer of the Orient. And it is a true ephemeral. This plant will go dormant come summer. It will lose all of its foliage and completely disappear, but then return faithfully every spring. It's almost the end of March, and it's in full bloom. This is a very typical color, this sort of fuchsia purple. They can also be pure white. This is one flower from another cultivar. And this is yet another cultivar showing that not all of the flowers are snowflake-like, though that's a really pretty form. Others can be broader petaled, like this cultivar, which looks a whole lot like a phlox flower. These ones that look like snowflakes are maybe a little bit more charming in the garden. The foliage is very lovely too, and because all the foliage is new, it's fresh, it's a nice spring green, delicately dotted with pine pollen at this time of the year. So even when the flowers fade, we enjoy the foliage for another month or so before it goes summer dormant. It's a shade lover. This is quite a shady spot. Sort of average soil on the moist side, but not soggy wet. And other than that, it's easy to please. It does spread. Let me look at this label. This is the cultivar Wildfire. Well, this was planted in 2009, so let me do the math. In 16 years, it spread maybe almost 3 feet across, so not a rampant spreader. And because it's summer dormant, it could cover the ground that is blank from something that's winter dormant, like a great big hosta or fern that's late to return in the spring. So Primula sieboldii is a great plant for the shade garden, and we occasionally have some cultivars for sale, but certainly add it to your garden if you have a shady garden. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the future.